send it over now to Rina Villamor.
Yes, guys, I just want to add up because earlier you're talking about the shoes of Irish Patrona. I got a little bit curious and I asked her. It's called the Camouflage by Asics. And I think Coach Ness also overheard me as he mentioned to me na ako rin na naka-camouflage ako. Tingnan nyo naman yung shoes ni Coach Ness ngayon. He's also wearing the oldest version of the camouflage. On the serious note, Coach Ness just wanted the girls to entertain their fans and of course, keep the game close. Back to you guys.
Well, I want to take, mamaya makukuha natin yung sapatos ni Coach Ness, ano? Ba't wala tayong ganun? Kailangan din, hindi camouflage ang tawag sa atin eh. Chamomile.
Nakakantok.
Relaxing yung kulay, di ba? Here's Iratay now. Runner from Bunag. Almost, but not quite. Gallego gets it across. And here's Iratay setting up Carolino. Nice dig again by Gallego. Gallego and Sia have been playing very well.
That is correct.
Gallego one more time. This time for Sangmuang. Yes!
Sangmuang getting it on the second try. And you are correct, partner. Yung roles na...
Dalawang bata, no?
Yes. Dalawang regular players ni Coach Ness. Which I'm sure he is just loving it, di ba? Na itong ganito yung nilalaro ng dalawa.
Well, this is the first conference I've actually seen Charlene Gallego as that block by Ivy goes out. Kasi last conference, si Christine Agno pa, yung kanilang libero.
That's right.
But I am very impressed with what I'm seeing here kay Charlene Gallego. Na, again...
Parang Jimmy Chen Reyes tayo dito. That,
exactly,
diba?
exactly. Sort of reminds you of a very young Jen Reyes. Pati yung tapang nito si Gallego is phenomenal. Nice dig by Dakis there. Iratay shoots it across for Carolino. Again, Gallego gets to it. Here's Patrona. Here's the quick set for Yari Yonko. It wasn't a pretty set, but it was effective.
That's right. It gets the point. Nevertheless, well, FEU now, alam mo, partner, what is going in FEU's game is they're blocking. 8-0 na.
Wow.
No block points coming from FEU, pero ang Philippine Army, 8 blocks so far.
Look at that play from Giselle C.
Pulling the much older and more experienced Army.
At saka nga haba.
Lahat,
Puro ga-avatar yun nandiyan sa harapan. Hindi pa rin nila nadakot yun.
Hindi ka T-Rex, ha?
Tingnan mo naman, Yonko, Dakis. Sino ba? Dalia Cruz. Ang haba niya, no? Dakis. Iratay. Yonko gets it across. Here's C for Ivy into the net. I think that's the 4th time Ivy has hit into the net today.
Miss hit there by Ivy Remulla. Well, so far, FEU 3 attack points. The Philippine Army with 5. Itong si Cruz, 2 attack points na in the 3rd set. Iratay with an attack point. Yun nga, yung kanyang drop ball.
Pero kay Dalia, kanina, first 2 points of the set lang yun. Nanahimik na siya. Here's Iratay for Dakis. Oh, great block, but it goes out. Good anticipation by Eulalio. (12-10). Here's Carolino. Sangmuang. C. Quick set, Eulalio again.
And perfect place to put it kasi bumabalik pa lang si Michelle Carolino for defense. As we take a look at it once again, Michelle Carolino just running from the service line.
Babasa isang kalamangan ng Philippine Army. Sangmuang once again. Carolino for Dakis. And Dakis gets it through.
Michelle Carolino, 10 attack points so far.
And 1 excellent set.
And Nonag, 5 nicks,
Right.
7 receptions. So it has been a battle
Of the liberos. Here's Patrona. Dug up by Carolino. Iratay for Dakis again.
Oh,
That one goes off the head of Giselle C, though.
and nag-apologize naman kagad-agad itong si Rachel Dakis. Of course, Dakis is the big ate
Oh, yeah.
of Giselle
Nagkaabot
C.
yan. Last year ni Shell, first year ni Giselle. And Giselle was actually still the backup of April Jose at that time. Here's Giselle.
Oh, nice setup job.
But a great dig or a great block there. Looks like Iratay was able to get it done.
Once again, yung blocking ng Army stood out in that last play.
And Army has now opened up a 4-point lead here in the 3rd set. Dalia Cruz. Ivy. See, quick set again to Eulalio. This time nabasa ni Yonko. Here's Patrona on the open hit.
Well, I really think si Giselle C should vary now her yung distribution niya kasi kanina pumapanig siya kay Eulalio. Obviously, dahil nga marami silang points na kukuha doon. Pero ngayon, nababasa na si Bonet.
Well, now Ivy Remulla serving as Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Philly. Iratay again! How come they cannot see it coming from Urs Iratay? That is the second time that she has dropped the ball in, enough to give FEU or the Philippine Army a 4-point lead over FEU.